back to Reina's channel. If you're planning a trip to Japan, some solid prep before you go is a must. Today's video is all about Ozoni, Japan's traditional New Year's soup. Have you heard of it? It's something Japanese people eat to celebrate the new year, and what's really fun is that the ingredients and flavors change depending on the region. Just learning about all the different styles is already super exciting. And stick around because I'll also share a super simple recipe you can try at home, perfect for anyone who loves cooking. And at the end of the video, I'll reveal Reina's top 5 regional Ozoni in Japan. So make sure you watch until the very end. All right, let's dive into the world of Ozoni.
Japan.
What is Ozoni? Ozoni is a traditional Japanese soup featuring mochi as its star ingredient. The mix of ingredients and flavors varies widely across regions, showcasing Japan's rich culinary diversities. Below are some common styles. Kanto style, a clear soy sauce-based broth with square mochi, chicken, spinach, and kamaboko fish cake for color. Kansai style, a white miso soup with round mochi and root vegetables such as taro and daikon. Some regions feature even more unique twists. In Hiroshima, oysters may be added, while Toyama sometimes includes yellowtail. Totori's Azuki Ozoni uses sweet red bean soup as the base, creating a dessert-like dish where gentle sweetness meets the chewy texture of mochi. Kagawa's Anmochi Ozoni pairs a white miso broth with round mochi filled with sweet red beans, a beloved local favorite enjoyed during New Year celebrations for its sweet, savory harmony. Ozoni reflects the climate, history, and local ingredients of each region, making it an exciting culinary adventure for travelers. History and cultural background. Ozoni is believed to have originated in the Muromachi period, as part of ceremonial dishes served by samurai families. Over time, it became an essential element of New Year celebrations across all social classes. In Japan's rice-growing culture, mochi symbolizes prosperity and family unity. Eating Ozoni at New Year expresses wishes for health, happiness, and good fortune in the coming year. Why travelers should try Ozoni? 1. Experience authentic Japanese food culture. Ozoni offers flavorful insight into Japan's regional diversity and home cooking traditions. 2. Enjoy regional differences. Sampling Ozoni in different parts of Japan gives travelers a deeper appreciation of the country's culinary heritage. 3. Discover personal stories behind each recipe. Every household has its own version, often passed down through generations, an opportunity to connect with locals and their stories. A simple Ozoni recipe. Recipes vary by region, but here's a basic version you can try. Ingredients: mochi, 2 pieces. Dashi broth, 2 cups. Soy sauce or white miso, 1-2 tablespoons. Chicken, 50 gram. Spinach, a small handful. Kamaboko, 2 slices. Optional vegetables. Instructions: 1. Heat the dashi broth in a pot. 2. Add bite-sized chicken and vegetables. Simmer until the vegetables are tender. 3. Toast or boil the mochi. If toasting, cook until lightly golden and fragrant. 4. Season the broth with soy sauce or white miso to taste. 5. Place the mochi in a bowl and pour the broth with ingredients over it. 6. Garnish with spinach and kamaboko for a colorful finish. Tips for enjoying Ozoni. Since Ozoni is usually homemade, travelers will mostly encounter it in restaurants or traditional inns. Keep these tips in mind. Check allergies or dietary restrictions. If you have allergies or are vegetarian/vegan, consult the restaurant in advance. Ask about the local history. Learning about the origin of that region's Ozoni adds depth to your experience. Try making it yourself. Buy ingredients at a Japanese supermarket and enjoy creating this cultural dish at home. Sharing Japanese culture through Ozoni. Ozoni captures the heart of Japanese tradition and home cooking. For visitors from abroad, it offers a warm introduction to Japanese culture and hospitality. If you visit Japan during New Year, be sure to try Ozoni. You may discover unique regional variations. That will become one of your most memorable travel experiences.
Japan.
How was that? Could you picture families all over Japan enjoying their own bowls of ozoni during New Year's? All right, thanks for waiting. Now it's time for Reina's top 5 regional ozoni in Japan. Let's kick things off with number 5. The 5th is Kurumi Ozoni from Iwate Prefecture. This version features a soy sauce-based broth made from dried sardines with grilled square mochi. It's especially beloved in the coastal Miyako area. It's packed with ingredients: chicken thigh, dried tofu, daikon, carrot, burdock root, even salmon roe. You can enjoy the mochi straight from the bowl or dip it into a separate walnut sauce called kurumi dare. 2 completely different flavors in one dish. That's what makes it special. Next up, let's talk about number 4. The 4th is Kinako Ozoni from Nara Prefecture. This one uses a white miso broth with round mochi. But what makes Nara unique is the addition of kinako, roasted soybean flour. The golden color of the kinako is said to symbolize a wish for a bountiful rice harvest. You actually take out the mochi and roll it in sweetened kinako before eating. A simple but meaningful tradition. Now moving on to number 3. The 3rd is Kujira Ozoni from Aomori Prefecture. Hachinohe City once had a whaling base, and from that tradition comes Kujira Jiru, a local whale simmered soup made with vegetables and whale skin. This ozoni builds on that soup, adding grilled square mochi. Families make a huge pot for New Year and eat it over several days. As the days pass, the flavor of the whale becomes richer and deeper, giving it a unique taste you won't find anywhere else. Now for number 2. The 2nd is Satsuma Ebi Ozoni from Kagoshima Prefecture. This one is famous in the Satsuma region. The broth comes from grilled shrimp, and the bowl features a huge shrimp that practically spills out of the bowl. Shrimp symbolizes longevity, taro represents prosperity for descendants, and bean sprouts are included to wish for hard work and good health. Lots of symbolism in one dish. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 pick. Drum roll, please! The first is Yakihaze Ozoni from Miyagi Prefecture. This dramatic bowl features a big grilled sandfish, haze, and salmon roe overflowing from the bowl. Seriously eye-catching. It's been eaten since the late Edo period and is also known as Sendai Ozoni. Colorful ingredients like Sendai siri greens and hikina make it a beautiful New Year dish. In the Sendai area, eating this ozoni during the first 3 days of New Year is a common tradition. So, what do you think? Japan's regional ozoni dishes all have their own stories and flavors, and today you got a taste of that variety. Now, the real question is, which ozoni would you like to try? There are still so many hidden gems all across Japan, and I'll be sharing more useful tips and fun discoveries in future videos, so stay tuned. If you want to be the first to know when a new video drops, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if there's anything about Japan you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. I'm always happy to hear your ideas. Oh, and one more thing. I just launched a brand new website with blog posts related to the video. You can also find info on related tours and even shop for souvenirs. Check it out from the link in the description box below. All right, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Sayonara!